Namaskar, welcome to daily weather briefing program of India Meteorological Department. Yesterday, the very heavy rainfall was reported at isolated places over the Tamil Nadu, and heavy rainfall was reported over the Kerala, Rayalaseema, Telangana, and North Interior Karnataka. In Tamil Nadu, highest 17 centimeter rainfall was reported. In Kerala, highest 11 centimeter. In Rayalaseema, highest 11 centimeter. In North Interior Karnataka, highest 7 centimeter, and in Telangana also the highest 7 centimeter rainfall was reported. Today, the low pressure area lies over the Lakshadweep area and adjoining Southeast Arabian Sea, and a trough is also running from this Lakshadweep area to the East Central Arabian Sea in the lower tropospheric levels, because of which is intense convection over the many parts of Southeast Arabian Sea and moderate to intense convection over the Kerala and Karnataka, and southern parts of the Maharashtra has the light to moderate convection. And in the lower tropospheric levels, a trough in easterly is also running from the Comorian area to the west central Bay of Bengal of Andhra Pradesh coast across the Tamil Nadu coast, because of which there is moderate to intense convection over many parts of Tamil Nadu, many parts of the coastal Andhra Pradesh and Rayalaseema region, and light to moderate convection over many parts of Telangana, and light convection over some parts of the South Odisha and South Chhattisgarh area. And in the mid tropospheric level, the western disturbance lies over the Jammu and Kashmir region, and a cyclonic circulation also lies over the northwest Rajasthan and neighborhood area. Because of this, the two trough in easterly, one from the Comorian area to the west central Bay of Bengal, and another trough from the Lakshadweep area to East Central Arabian Sea, and the low pressure area over the Lakshadweep and adjoining Southeast Arabian Sea. There will be the light to moderate rainfall at many places with isolated thunderstorm and lightning over the entire South Peninsular India during next 5 days, and light to moderate rainfall will be at a few places with isolated thunderstorm and lightning over the South Konkan region, Goa, South Madhya Maharashtra, and southern parts of the Marathwada region during 4th of November to 7th of November. There will be the heavy rainfall at isolated places over the Kerala, Mahe, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Annam, Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal, Rayalaseema, and interior Karnataka during next 5 days. And heavy rainfall at isolated places will be over Telangana and coastal Karnataka on 3rd and 4th of November, over the South Konkan, Goa region, and South Madhya Maharashtra region on 5th of November and 6th of November. Along with this, there also will be the very heavy rainfall at isolated places over Kerala on 3rd and 4th of November. Very heavy rainfall at one or two places over Tamil Nadu on 3rd of November, over the coastal Andhra Pradesh on 3rd of November and 7th of November. And except this, there will be the mainly dry weather over the most parts of the plains of northwest India, entire northeast India. Dry weather will be over many parts of central and many parts of East India, and dry weather will be over some parts of West India during next 4 to 5 days. And if we see the weather warning in the graphical form, then the very heavy rainfall over the coastal Andhra Pradesh on 3rd, over the Kerala on 3rd and 4th of November, and over the Tamil Nadu region on 3rd of November is given here in the orange color, and the isolated heavy rainfall over the remaining parts of the South Peninsular India is given in the orange color. And along with this, there also will be the squally weather with wind speed reaching 40 to 50 kmph, gusting to 60 kmph, very likely over along and off Kerala coast, Lakshadweep area, and adjoining Southeast Arabian Sea during next 5 days. And squally weather will be along and off Karnataka coast, Goa coast, and South Maharashtra coast during 5th of November to 7th of November. So the fishermen are advised not to venture over the Southeast Arabian Sea along and off Kerala coast and along around the Lakshadweep area during next 5 days. Over and fishermen are also advised not to venture along and off Karnataka coast, Goa coast, and South Maharashtra coast during 5th of November to 7th of November. You can download the Mosam app, Damani app, and Meghdoot app for the location specific forecast and warning for the lightning alert and agro advisory services. You can follow us on our Twitter page, our Facebook page, and our Instagram page for more detailed weather information. Thank you.